Everyday English Essentials.
Hello there, friends. I'm Mr. Hippo, your big, friendly buddy. Welcome to Everyday English Essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of school vocabulary, all about subjects and activities. By the end of this, you'll be able to ask questions like a curious student and understand what people are up to at school like a pro. So grab your backpack, and let's start our lesson. First, we start with some basic subject words. Section 1. School subjects.
We talk about school subjects all the time. Like when we ask, "What are you studying?" or "What's your favorite class?" Let's look at the names of some common subjects students learn at school. Math, Science, English, History, Geography, Art, Music, Physical Education. Now, let's see how we can use these subjects in everyday conversations. Speaking ahead, like when you're chatting with friends or telling someone what you like at school, it's super useful. Let's check it out. At school, talking about favorites.
Bunny, what's your favorite subject?
I really like art. I love drawing and painting.
Oh, colors everywhere. That's wonderful.
What about you?
Me? I love physical education. Running, jumping, and stretching.
Oh, I'd love to see you do jumping jacks.
It's not easy, but it's fun.
At home, studying together.
Hey Alex, are you ready for the math test tomorrow?
Oh, numbers make my head spin, but I'll try.
Don't worry, I'll help you. We can study together.
Thanks, Brian. After that, I need to finish my science homework.
Me too. And I have to read a chapter in history.
So much to do. Let's power up with some snacks first.
Great idea.
Section 2. School activities.
School isn't just about learning subjects, it's also about the many activities we do in class and at home. Some common actions that students do at school include reading, writing, drawing, painting, listening, speaking, playing, studying, doing homework, and taking tests. Now, let's listen to some conversations that use these activity words.
Art class fun.
Good morning, everyone. Today in art class, we're going to draw and paint your favorite object.
Yay! I'm gonna draw a big bicycle.
I'll draw a robot and paint it with lots of bright colors.
That sounds great. Don't forget to listen carefully while I explain the steps.
Got it. I'm all ears.
Alright, class. You're all doing a wonderful job. I love how different and creative your objects are.
After we finish, can we show our pictures to each other?
Yes, we'll have a mini art gallery walk. You'll speak in pairs and talk about what you drew and painted.
That sounds fun. Can we also vote for the most colorful one?
Sure, and after that, we'll play a quick matching game with objects and colors on the board.
Getting ready for the test.
Emma, are you ready for your English test tomorrow?
Almost, Mom. I just need to read one more chapter and write some practice sentences.
That's good. Did you already do your homework?
Yes, I finished it right after school. Now I'm just trying to study the vocabulary.
I'm sure you'll do great. Just stay calm when you take the test.
Thanks, Mom. I'm feeling more confident now.
Section 3. Talking about your school day.
You can use subject and activity words to describe your school routine and talk about your day in simple English. For example, you can say, I have, at, or I like, because. You can also describe what you do in class, like we, in class. Or share your opinion by saying, my favorite subject is. Now, let's hear how some students talk about their school day using these sentences.
Talking about the schedule.
So, what class do you have first today, buddy?
I have science at 9 o'clock. Dad?
Oh, nice. Do you like science?
Yes, I like science because we do fun experiments.
That sounds exciting. What about art? Do you enjoy that class too?
I like art because I love drawing and using colors.
That's great. It's good to enjoy different subjects.
Talking on the school bus.
What do you usually do in English class?
We read stories and practiced speaking in English class.
That sounds interesting. In music class, we sing songs and play instruments.
Wow, I'd like that too. My favorite subject is physical education because I enjoy playing games.
My favorite is English. I love learning new words.
Section 4. Real-life school situations.
Now that you've learned useful school vocabulary and expressions, it's time to talk about your own school life. In this section, we'll use subject words and activity words together to create simple but meaningful sentences. You'll see how students describe their daily routine using English, and then you can try making your own school journal, too.
A morning at the school dorm.
Hey Leo. What class do you have first today?
I have English at 8 o'clock. We're going to read a short story and then write about it.
That sounds nice. I have math at 8. We usually read word problems and solve them together.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math because I enjoy thinking and finding the right answers. It feels like solving little puzzles.
That's cool. I sometimes find math tricky, but I like it when I finally understand.
Yeah, it feels great when everything clicks. What do you do in English class today exactly?
I think we'll listen to a story first, then write our own ending.
That sounds creative. I love writing, too.
Favorite class time. Good morning, Rooster. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Hippo. I'm feeling great. We just had science class. It was so much fun.
Oh, that's lovely to hear. Is science your favorite subject?
Yes, I really like science. We do cool experiments, and sometimes we watch videos about space and animals.
Oh, that does sound exciting. Why do you enjoy science so much?
Because we can ask questions and test things ourselves. I love discovering how things work.
That's a wonderful reason. I always say curiosity is one of the best things to bring to class.
I think so too. What about you, Mr. Hippo? Did you have a favorite subject when you were in school?
I always loved art. It let me express myself and relax after a busy day.
Did I hear someone say art? That was my favorite too. Colors, shapes, and imagination. So much fun.
Oh, my friend Doug said they painted city buildings last week and now they're drawing their dream house.
I'd love to see those drawings. Rooster, do you have art in your schedule too?
Yes, but only on Tuesdays at 9 o'clock.
That's a nice time for art, right after morning energy.
And when do you have science, Rooster?
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10:30. I always look forward to those mornings.
I'm glad to hear that. Your excitement makes me smile.
Keep it up, Rooster. A love of learning will always help you fly far, even without wings.
Thanks, teachers. I'll do my best.
Today, we learned useful vocabulary for school subjects and activities. These words help you describe what you study and what you do at school. Now it's your turn. Think about your school day and try to say 2 or 3 sentences using the words from today's lesson. Keep learning and practicing every day to get better. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.